Hello students, my name is Stefania Ileska and today we're going to do some grammar. We're going to learn about the future meaning of the present continuous tense. Цели на часот. Употреба на сегашното продолжено време во потврдна, одречна и прашална форма со имплементирање на идното време со цел да се назначат веќе испланираните настави. As we all know, present continuous tense is used for the actions happening at the time of speaking. For an example, I'm studying English right now. We use present continuous to talk about decisions that we have taken in the past and will take place in the future. If we want to express the future meaning of the present continuous tense, we use will going to for future actions. For an example, I'm going to take an English test tomorrow. Now let's see. The example, I'm taking an English test tomorrow, is the same as I'm going to take an English test tomorrow. Once again, I'm taking an English test tomorrow is the same as I'm going to take an English test tomorrow. When talking about a present continuous for the future, we often use these words: later, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, next month, next year, on Monday, on Friday, on Sunday. Let's see the example. Tomorrow I'm painting my house. I have already bought the paint. As you can see, we are talking about a decision made in the past because the paint was already bought. Tomorrow I'm painting my house. I have already bought the paint. And of course, we can use the present continuous for the future in positive, negative, and question forms. Let's see an example of a positive sentence. I'm meeting with my boss later today. Now, the negative sentence. Peter isn't coming to the party this weekend. She is not doing her homework after dinner. She is watching her favorite TV show. And of course, we can also use the question form. What are you doing next Saturday? Is Mary arriving at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning? What do you need to know? We usually use the present continuous for definite future arrangements, not predictions. We cannot make predictions using the present continuous. Let's see some examples. They are flying to London tonight. This example says that they have decided and arranged to fly to London before. Another example. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm going to the cinema. already arranged event. What is your plan for next week? I'm going to France on Tuesday. I'm having lunch with my friends on Wednesday, and we are going to the concert on Friday. These are all examples expressing the definite future arrangement using the present continuous tense. Also, using the future for present continuous tense, we usually know exactly when the arrangements are happening. Let's see some examples. Mr. Black is getting retired next week. Next week. I'm seeing my doctor at 4 o'clock on Friday. Where are you going this summer? We are going in Spain. As you can see, we asked people as arrangements with present continuous tense. Where are you going this summer? We are getting married in June next year. In this example, we see that the arrangement doesn't have to be in near future. The important thing is how certain we are about it. This arrangement is happening in June next year. Remember this note. We use present simple tense for timetables, like public transport, cinemas. We say, what time does the train leave? We can't say, what time is the train leaving? And another note to pay attention to, the going to future is also possible for future arrangements, but not natural. We say, what are you doing this evening? I'm going to the theater this evening. We can't say, what are you going to do this evening? I'm going to go to the theater this evening. Now let's have a mini quiz to see who has listened to this lesson carefully. Choose the correct option, please. Number 1. My sister, A, is traveling to London tomorrow morning. B, travels to London tomorrow morning. Or C, travel to London tomorrow morning. Make sure you write down this question. I'm going to say the answer, and you're going to write down the answer too. So the answer for my sister is A. My sister is traveling to London tomorrow morning. A is the correct answer. Number 2. I'm so bored. What time? A. Do this lesson finish? B. Is this lesson finishing? And C. Does this lesson finish? The answer is C. I'm so bored. What time does this lesson finish? The correct answer is C. This is all for this lesson today. Could you please talk about your plans for next week? And remember, use the present continuous tense. Благодарам на вниманието, ученици. Се гледаме во наредното видео.